welcome to Macsartplace. I know it's been a while for the Mac and Jody routine here, but we've been doing a lot of festivals around the area, and we are trying our best to make all kinds of different art and show everyone how to do it. And we've gotten past most of the extreme heat out here in the summer, which made us very lackadaisical. So hopefully we'll try to do at least one a week for our YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on this birdhouse. And it's an experiment, really. We've decided to try and use this unicorn spit paint, which we can tell you all the different colors we have. But instead of doing like a ring pour, we're going to turn the turntable and pour paint on it and see how that works, just to see how it comes out. So you remember Jody, and I hope you remember Mac. And Jody, why don't you say the colors that you've picked out?
Okay, in this unicorn spit, we are going to use Lavish Lovebirds, which basically is like an emerald green, and then we have Violet Vulture, excuse me, which the name says Violet, and then we've got Starling Sasha, which is a wonderful glittery pink red color, and we have Sapphire, we've got a teal. And then I don't know if we'll use the Golden Gosling, which is kind of really an orangey gold. And that is really a gorgeous color too. So we're just gonna pour these colors in. Do you want to pour them in a cup and then?
No, let's just pour them on top and see how it goes.
Let's do it.
And the other thing that I found out from doing these shows, because we're having an interactive pour at the festivals and the bazaars, whatever you want to call them, and we put an 8x10 on this turntable and let the kids pick out their paints and do a cup pour, and then they turn this around. But what I found out was this shelf covering really holds everything on your turntable, 8x10s and even 9x12s. They don't slide off at all. And you can spin it pretty fast and it comes out okay.
Yeah, this is basically just a plastic or rubber shelf liner that you can get at the Dollar Store, Walmart, you know, any place like that. It's really cheap, but it works really good.
Yeah, we were using double-sided tape, and it was okay when it was like March and April when it was cool, but then when it got hot, the tape was just so sticky we couldn't even get it off of the 8x10 canvases. So I happened to find this, and I'm so glad I got the idea to do that. Of course, I don't credit it as my idea. It came from above, whispered in my ear, hey, try this and see how that works.
Hey, Matt, check it out. Okay, so what color are you going to spin and I pour? Or
well,
what?
we can both, you pick colors that you want. And here's your glove here.
Oh, good. Okay.
And I'll do the other ones that you're not doing.
Okay. Well, these are the colors that I wanted to do.
Okay.
But you know me.
Yeah.
Blue and purple, it's all my favorites.
Okay,
so
we'll shake them up. I guess the other thing I have to go get and find is the torch.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you pour your first color.
All right. Okay.
And I'll find the torch.
Whoa, no, I used way too much. Oh, okay, I want to kind of get it on this area too here, so I'm just going to slow that down a little bit. And I think I'll start pouring this one. Come on. Oh, that one must be clogged.
Torch. I
There
found
we
this
go.
one that we had problems with before, but I don't know where the other one is. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of this.
Whoops.
Some of these are pretty hard to pour.
There we go. Oop. This is going to be interesting.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. All right. How
Yes.
about some teal?
Nice.
Come on. Let me get it in different places here.
Well,
Okay.
the trick is to keep this still
Yeah.
while the other thing is going around.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. Different. I wonder.
Yeah. We need to... All right. Let's try... This is the Dolly Firebird. So we've got kind of a red color here. Okay, Mac.
I just think it's best to just hold it on the top here and let it go where it wants to go.
Yeah, go for it.
So why is it just staying on one side
Yeah, it's just
and not
staying
the
on
other?
one
It's-
side.
It's
I don't know.
weird what it's doing. Maybe if we don't spin it so fast,
Yeah.
we can see
There you
where
go.
it's going.
There you go.
All right.
Okay. So let's try putting this blue on there now.
See, now this is using an extreme amount of paint.
Yeah, it really is. Because we're not...
We got enough
I
paint
wonder-
on this one side, but
Yeah.
we don't have enough on these others. So, these are water soluble, right?
Yeah, we could have mixed some water in this.
What if we were to spray this with some water
There you go.
and
Check it
see what
Yeah.
if it,
There. Try to hit that. There we go. We're going to get some cells out of that, Mac.
well,
Look at
water,
some cells. Yeah.
yeah, water does create
Yeah.
some,
Okay, let's
oh, that's, because
yeah,
this
we've got
one
some
here.
cells going there.
All right, so write this spot so they can see. That spot needs some color because it's not, it's got a
So-
bare spot. See that
What
spot
color?
right here?
What color would you like?
I don't know.
Anything?
Well, something
Oh.
to counteract the orange.
Okay.
Okay, that should
There
be
you go.
enough. And I'll add a little squirt. And we'll see how that does. And then if we spin it and get paint all over the place.
And notice I step back.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we
Oh,
still
yeah,
need...
that's pretty good. I like
Yeah,
that. Well,
I kind of like that too. I
Yeah.
mean, we've got some cells
instead
going.
of adding more paint, we'll just add
There.
water because we don't need any more paint.
Yeah,
Well, that's kind of different. I like
Yeah.
that.
yeah. Do you want to break up that orange a little bit?
With what?
I don't know.
Green?
Yeah, maybe
But
try
you
some
can't
green.
do too much green because it takes over everything.
Yeah.
Just put 2 little drops and a little bit of water. There. And a little bit of a spin. We won't spin as fast as we did.
Yeah.
And
Well,
What do
next
you
time
think?
I think it works good. I think maybe next time we have another one of these that we can experiment on. So next time maybe we'll mix these paints in with a little bit of water to make them easier to flow.
yeah,
And then we'll get more cells on it too.
yeah. I was trying to think how we could do the body of the birdhouse if we laid it, after this dries, if we laid it on its side
On its
or
side.
something.
Yeah. Yeah.
How I know what we could do with the body is do the balloon thing on the body.
Oh, that would be neat.
Yeah.
If anybody out there watching has any ideas of what you think we could do with the middle, why don't you send us a message and we'll take your ideas.
Yeah, let us know. And if you happen to be in the Cottonwood, Camp Verde, Prescott, Sedona area, get a hold of my email, which will be in the description, and we can let you know where we are and what we're doing. And we have 2 canopies we put up. So we have quite a bit of stuff. We have our art, we have jewelry, we have candles, And this interactive pour, everyone loves the interactive pour.
Yeah, we're keeping busy with some sales, with some craft sales, and we're having a good time trying different things. So if anybody has ideas of what you want to see us try, let us know and we'll be happy to try it.
All right, so you're going to put a cardinal in the hole there.
I'm going to put a cardinal in the door.
All right, so do you think this goes with the cardinal, or do you want to add a different color?
Well, if the cardinal's going to be red, you know, all the colors match with red. So
the blue kind of got muted.
Yeah, the blue got muted. We could.
Yeah, I think what we'll do is do some, and we probably should have put this on a cup because it's probably going to stick to this as it dries. So I'll have to take it off before it's totally dry.
Yeah.
Well, folks, there's our experiment on the hood of a birdhouse using unicorn spit. And to do the body, we're going to add water to it and figure out how to get it on the rest of the body. So I hope you liked their little video, and if you want to know anything else, get in touch with one of us. Our emails will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and all your comments, whether you think it's constructive criticism, we like that as well. So we'll be glad to hear from everyone. And thanks again for watching, and please share, and don't forget to hit that bell when we upload a new video. Well, you'll get notification of that. Bye-bye from Mac.
Bye. Have a good day.
That's from Jody.
See ya.
Bye.
Okay.